In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new project in Asana. Asana is a powerful tool designed to help teams organize their work seamlessly and collaboratively. If you're new to Asana, or if you simply want to revisit the basics, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get your first project up and running in just a few quick minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to the Asana website. When you're there, you'll notice a login button stationed conveniently at the top right corner of the homepage. Give that a click. If you don't have an account yet, you have the option to sign up. But today, we're focusing on logging in. Once you've clicked on Login, the next step is to choose your preferred method of logging in. To make things more streamlined, consider clicking on Continue with Google. This is a highly recommended option as it allows a swift and secure login experience using your Google account. Simply select the Google account you wish to use, and you'll be instantly taken to your Asana dashboard. Now that you're in, locate the plus icon. This denotes where you can add something new. Click this icon, which initiates the process of adding a new project. It's a small step with big impact as it's the cornerstone of getting everything organized. Having clicked the plus icon, you'll see a New Project option beckoning. Go ahead and click on New Project to enter the realm of project management. This brings up a few choices, but for now, let's keep things straightforward and simple. Click on the Blank Project option at the top right corner to start with a clean slate. Great, you're almost there. Now it's time to give your project an identity, a name. Consider what this project encompasses and type in a name that is both descriptive and concise. This helps not only you, but others who may work with you on this project to easily identify its purpose. After you've entered your desired name, move on by hitting the Continue button. Here, you can begin to tailor the project to suit your workflow by choosing the most appropriate views for your project. Asana offers various views like List, Board, and Calendar, to name a few. Selecting the best view can greatly influence how you and your team interact with the project dashboard. Finally, once you have tailored your project with the necessary views, it's time to bring your hard work into the world. Click on Create Project, and just like that, you've successfully set up a brand new project in Asana. That wraps up our tutorial for today. In just a few short steps, you've harnessed the power of Asana to organize and manage your tasks efficiently. Don't forget to explore your new project's features to fully benefit from everything Asana has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy project planning!